This 2017 Airstream Classic 30RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Tampa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream and features sleeps 5 and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.